How to fix It's Not You, It's Us on Facebook Dating. I'm going to show you how you can fix It's Not You, It's Us on Facebook Dating. Close the Facebook app. Shutting down the app on iPhone can fix minor bugs that cause features to go missing. If other users are reporting problems with Facebook, then there's likely nothing you can do except wait until it's working again. If Facebook Dating isn't showing up, you probably need to update the Facebook app to the most recent version. Restarting can fix lots of problems, and it only takes a minute or two. This works for iPhone and Android. If notifications are turned off for Facebook, it might seem like the dating feature is broken. You just need to turn on alerts. The cache stores data to help apps run faster, but it can sometimes get corrupted and cause apps to stop working properly. Clearing the cache on your iPhone or Android can resolve any conflicts. You will need to sign in again, but this should fix Facebook Dating if it's outdated or has unique cache issues. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network and having problems with other apps, you might need to troubleshoot your wireless connection. We also have some tips for when mobile data isn't working. If you still can't access Facebook Dating and no one else seems to be having issues with the service, it's time to reach out to Facebook's support team.